Hi, I'm Sean Jones, General Manager here at Mitchell Toyota in San Angelo, Texas. Thanks for taking a moment to review this brief video.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, leather seats, sun moonroof, ventilated seats. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2017 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, running boards, third row seat, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.